I am Migar Uke and I am a life coach. Today we will discuss personal development. Contents of the topic are: first, know why you are the way you are. Second, your true self. Third, some facts of your character. Fourth, how to be original and unique. Fifth, how to find the true character. Sixth, superiority complex and its analysis. Let's begin with the first point. Know why you are the way you are. Whatsoever taught to us from childhood is not necessarily right or wrong. You should ask yourself a question that whatever rituals, customs, actions done by you, your family, and society are necessary. Are they good and right? Why should I do this? What happened if I don't do this? Answer of these questions will help you know yourself better, along with understanding the fact that you and society are wasting precious time if those customs are unnecessary and useless. Most of the time we do things because everyone else does, and our ancestor did so. The reason we do that be one or more, which are fear of losing social status, peers, family, fear of God, emotional attachments, pressure from family, mentality of coping others, and irrational thinking. We all have ability to think and we must use it wisely. Most people follow customs centuries after centuries without knowing it. It may important then but might useless now. There is possibility that some selfish, egoist, powerful groups, race, or persons made these customs for their own benefit by using force, fear of God, and other tricks. Over the time, it has become addiction and important part of our lives, and we are all following them blindly. If anyone opposes these customs, then he is abandoned or punished by society. Hence, no one dares to think or act against it. Let's begin the second point. Know your true self. Rational person and rational thinking will let you live with freedom of mind, thinking with full potential and brain power. Others are just puppets of old absolute mindset and thoughts. Give time to action and things that create equity with peace and happiness. Develop physical and mental skills by rational thinking. Stop doing things which harm people, environment, and your precious time. Things, actions which are done under the name of God or for entertainment and fun. Third point, some facts of your character. Since childhood we learn by copying others' behavior as it is our basic instinct. Actions of others are stored in our subconscious mind. It includes thoughts, beliefs, style of showing respect, languages, etc. And we think that we are original, unique, and different than others. Fourth point, how to be original and unique. Very few humans are original and unique in their behavior. If we see other person is happy by doing something, we think we also get happiness by doing the same. And when you do that, your subconscious mind automatically gets happy. But after some time, your mind becomes normal and you feel emptiness and hollowness along with dissatisfaction. It happens because that happiness is not real. Copy no one. Learn good things from everyone. After learning good things, follow them in your own original and natural way. An original person does actions by his own free will, without fear, worry, insult or praise by others. He acts without caring about his image in the society. Duplicate or fake person can never live like that. Fifth point, how to find true character. Each act and behavior should be originated by your free will and purity in the heart. If you don't feel doing anything by heart, don't do it. Never do things worth showing others how caring and loving you are, or to maintain your pride, your image, for making others to praise you, give you attention and importance. For these temporary things, don't fake yourself permanently. Live life as you are, with your own true character. Otherwise, live life which doubt your existence. 6 point, superiority complex. Feeling of superior in terms of thoughts, actions, success, physical appearance, race, etc., and behave with others humans in inferior attitude is superiority complex. If situation and conditions provided to successful person is being provided to unsuccessful person, then he can also become successful. Any human can be like any other human if he properly and cautiously utilize time with curiosity for truth and knowledge, utmost focus, perseverance and hard work. If you want to know more about personal development, then you can message me or call me. My WhatsApp number is 9970 My calling number is 7972 896592. Thank you for your time and consideration.